Okay, we are live.
Okay, sweet.
Dang, this section's hard.
Yeah. So for that first question, you have to plug in all of the numbers into the two-sample z-test for proportions. Is that correct?
To find P1, all you have to do is do x1 over n1, right? So I got 0.74. How many three decimals? 0.743.
Yeah.
And then for P2, I got 0.7112 or 11. No, 712.
712. Yeah. Yep.
712.
Do these hypotheses? All right, what's the question again?
Okay. So then it says, so question 5 then.
Mm-hmm.
So it says, is the proportion of females who can taste PTC different from the proportion of males that can taste PTC?
So it's just difference.
Okay, so it's
So we want
not equal to. Yeah.
Okay. So
it's the difference between it's either A or D.
Yeah.
Wait, what's P hat?
yeah.
We want.
I think we want just regular P,
one.
right?
The first one.
Yeah. We just want the regular P, not P hat. Yeah.
All right. Create confidence interval for P1 minus P2.
And this is where I had some trouble on the homework.
Confidence interval.
The confidence interval. Okay.
Yeah, this is because it asks for the point estimate and the margin of error. And I don't remember how to get those.
I think that will come from the Excel sheet.
Yeah, but I don't see it in this Excel sheet. Not the one I'm using, so I wonder if there's a different one that I should be using.
So for margin of error, let's see.
And I'm guessing the point estimate is the p-value. Is that correct?
I'm not sure.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Yeah, because this is where I had all the problems in the homework. It's when I was asking for point value, margin of error. Lower bound and upper bound are easy, but
Let's see. Point estimate. I'm not even seeing it in the homework section.
Of course. I'm glad that it's not just me then. That's good to know.
Yeah, I did a search because I usually have it open so I can just look at the formulas, but
Yeah.
you can get the Z p-score. Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe it is the p-value.
Well, I'm trying to look that up and I can't see it.
So I don't know what else it would be.
Yeah, I don't either. Man, I wish Q was here. She would probably know.
Yeah, no kidding. She's trying. She had to update something.
Oh, so should we just skip those two and come back? Hopefully she gets on.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, because the lower bound is what, negative 0.123.
Let's see. Yeah, give me 1 second. I'm just plugging in the formula, see if I can figure out that question.
Okay.
One minus.
Alright. I just plugged it all into the Excel sheet and it gives you the confidence interval, right?
Yeah. Yep. Gives the upper bound and the lower bound.
Okay, I think I did that wrong. All right, so where were we?
Well, if we move past 6 and 7 for now and go back to them.
Okay, so what'd you get for the lower bound?
Negative 0.123.
Okay, and then the upper?
Upper bound, I got 0.185.
You just got that by plugging it into the Excel spreadsheet?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
And then with 10, I figured we failed to reject.
So the p-value is 0.69, which is then alpha.
Since p-value is greater than alpha, we fail to reject the null hypothesis.
So the p-value is 0.69, so it's a lot higher.
So it's going to be the first one, right?
Yep, so if we reject the null hypothesis. Okay. And then with 11, I picked the last one. There's insufficient evidence to suggest that the true proportion of females who can taste PTC is different from the true proportion of males who can taste PTC.
There's insufficient evidence to suggest the true.
Yeah, that's right. You're cruising, Jesse.
Thank you. Thank you.
You were saying that one was D?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one, let's see. We have to put in new numbers for this one. So should we go back to 6 and 7 now? Again?
6 and 7.
Instead of having to change all the numbers back again later.
What is a point estimate for? Okay.
The point
Yeah, I don't
estimate is either
understand
going to
that.
be the p-value or the z-score, but I don't know what one it is.
Huh.
Well, we can plug into that equation and find the margin of error.
It looks like point estimate is a... I don't know. I'm trying to look up point estimate, and it seems like there's a lot of different things that could be the point estimate. Like the sample standard deviation. That's a point estimate.
Oh my heck, I don't know.
Or the sample mean is a point estimate. Huh.
Oh, it says, so point estimate. A point estimate of a population parameter is a single value used to estimate the population parameter. For example, the sample mean of X is a point estimate of the population mean of U. It kind of makes sense.
Yeah. But then in that case, what is the point estimate for this one?
So that should be...
Is it the sample deviation? The standard deviation of the confidence interval?
I don't think it's the standard deviation. I think it's... well, it makes it sound like it's the estimated mean of the sample. Oh, there's a fly in here.
But how do you do that with a 2-sample test?
I gotta kill this fly.
Okay.
That is a good question. Let's see. Oh, he's still alive.
Oh, Q, you're here.
Guys, I'm so sorry.
Yay!
I updated my computer this weekend, and apparently it makes me redo everything, and I didn't know what I was doing. But I got it. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
We're just happy you're here.
Me
So-
too. Oh my god.
Do you happen to know how to find the point estimate?
That one.
Okay, hold on. I'm sorry. Let me get to the page, and because I had to restart everything, so I'm a little
Okay.
unorganized right now.
That is fine. That's fine.
So to get the upper and lower bound, you guys plugged it into the 2-sample t-test?
Yes.
Okay.
The 2-sample z-test with proportions.
Okay, and then what number are you guys on right now?
We're on 6.
6. Okay.
But we can fill in the rest for you.
Okay, let me get there.
Dang it.
Okay, for the margin of error, I got 0.154.
How did you get that?
I plugged it into that really long formula.
The what formula?
Stupid long formula. Okay.
Which formula did you say you used?
The formula on the or whatever. The 1.96 over this times the square root of 1 minus p hat over the n1, and then the same with p hat too.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So for number 6, what is the point estimate? Is that, I don't understand. The point estimate, is that the z-score?
We weren't sure about.
Because usually it says test statistic. Can never say that. The test statistic, but I think that's what it is, what it's supposed to be.
I am so lost. I thought I knew what I was doing, and now I'm super confused. I can't even get, so to get the upper and lower bound, you plugged like 50, so you went to the Excel spreadsheet to the two sampled t-test, and you guys just plugged in 18, 17, 52, 42.
Sample z-test.
What's that?
Make sure you open up the categorical data analysis _ hat Excel sheet. There's a link to it in the prepare.
Gotcha. All right. Where is that?
Okay, and you guys are on the margin of error. I think the point estimate is the z statistic. Because what else would it be?
Either that or the p-value.
I'm trying to go through his videos to see if it's in there.
Oh wait, point estimate. Okay, nope, I don't know. Because I tried Googling it, but this might be confusing me more than it's helping.
Yeah, we tried doing that too. It didn't work out too well.
Okay, can't even find the categorical. Let's see.
Is the point estimate just P?
I really don't know.
Because in like other ones, wasn't the, okay. The mean was the point estimate in some of like our previous, I don't know though. Because that's, now I'm thinking that's it.
X1, X2. Yeah, I feel like they they like missed a section or something. This just doesn't seem to add up.
Yeah. Well, how about we just put in one of the numbers, and if we get it wrong, we know it's not that.
There's something at least.
So should we just put in the z-score and hope that's it, or the p-value?
I guess. I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. So.
Well, how about, you know what? I'm going to put in the p-value. That's what I'm going to put in.
I don't know. I'll put in the z-score, and we'll figure out who's right, or if we're both wrong, then we're lost.
Yep.
Ugh. I hate
Okay.
having a fly in my office. This is the worst.
Okay, so Q, we actually went down to question 12, but we didn't figure those ones out, so we had to go back to them.
Oh, okay. Well, I was just
Yeah.
kind of going through the first couple ones.
They're pretty
What do
easy.
you have so far?
So question 3, I have, so you just divide the 52 by 70, and I got 0.743.
Yep.
And then for question 4, I got 0.712.
Yeah.
And then I actually didn't even read 5 yet.
Okay.
So it's just different. So it's gonna be the, okay, is it, I think it's the last one with the p hats that are different.
We thought it was the first one.
A.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I know it's one of them, so. Ow.
So for 7, did we put 0.154?
That's what I got, but you guys can calculate it if you want to check my work.
Then can I ask you one more time, or what equation did you use? Is it that huge long one that looks really complicated, but you just have to do the p hats for each sample?
Yeah, it's from the preparing, you scroll down to almost the bottom. It has that long one, but you keep out, you don't include, because it's solving for the confidence interval, so you don't include the p hat 1 minus p hat 2,
Yeah.
the z, and do that.
Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. Just making sure. Okay.
So what do we end up with for number 7?
Number 7.
Well, I can run it again if you guys want me to.
Yeah, I would. 5-4, but I could have messed it up, so she's gonna check me.
Okay.
Mhm. Where's my pen? Five, 52, 50. And what did you say it was?
0.154.
Okay. Well, I must have. Well, I just threw it in there, but I got a different answer. But I think it's probably just how I'm putting it into the calculator. That's probably what it is.
For 95% confident interval, the number is 1.96, right?
Yes. Yeah, so So I did, yeah, 0.743 times 1 minus 0.743 divided by 70 for that one.
Did you do your parentheses?
Yes, 0.712 times 1 minus 0.712 divided by 59 for the second. Square root of that times 1.96. Okay, yep, it was just me. I did get 1.154. Yes, okay. Okay, and then the lower bound is the negative 0.123.
Yep.
Is that what you guys got?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. And then the upper bound is 0.185. Okay, perfect. And then the p-value is greater than 0.05. Yes. So we fail to reject HO.
Yes.
Yes.
And so that means that there is
the last one on that one.
Insufficient evidence. Perfect. And now you guys are on 12.
Yes.
And the answer is true.
Woo! Okay. Now, which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing this question? So it is
it's the bottom one.
who
So
die less than, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. People die on a weekday less than.
Okay, and then now I'm on 14.
Data in the table to find P1.
So I got 0.141.
In a weekday. Okay. 13.
I did too.
Okay.
141. Yes.
And then for 15, I got 0.145.
Mm-hmm.
.145. That's what I got as well.
Okay.
Now find the z-score. Now I have to put in those numbers. 16.
I got negative 2.020.
Yeah, that's what the Excel gives me too.
I got negative 2.02.
Is it 0 after that? It says around a 3.
Yeah, it's just 0 after that. Yeah.
So yeah, negative 2.02.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just trying to make sure, because last time on our homework we got 100%, and then or on the group meeting quiz, and then I go to the homework and I got like a C, and I was like, okay, well,
yeah,
something
you're not alone.
is not right.
Yeah, that's actually what happened to me too. For some reason, I don't know what happened, but I did the homework assignment and I got everything right. But then I did the quiz and I missed like 4 of the questions.
Exactly. Yeah, me too. I don't understand.
So it's annoying that he has so many different things. It's like we don't even go over the stuff that's on the quiz sometimes.
Yep. That's how I feel too. Okay. So would you shade the left or the right of the z-score for the p-value? And it said less than, so it would be the left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the p-value for this test?
I got 0.022.
0.022. That's what I got as well.
Okay.
And 5. So we
reject the null hypothesis.
Mm-hmm. If it's less than.
Okay.
there it is. There's sufficient evidence.
I got the third one down.
Less than the proportion.
Yep.
Yeah.
I thought it was the last one. Because the null hypothesis is that they're the same, right? And then the alternate is if they are less than. But we're rejecting the null, so that would be if they're the
we have
same.
evidence that they're different.
There is sufficient. Okay. No, thank you guys.
Okay. So I'm going to submit that and see
Not
what
fast.
happens.
Okay, yeah, the only one I'm not sure about is that point estimate. I don't know what that.
Okay, I was wrong for the p-value.
And what
Let
did
me submit mine.
you put the p-value? Okay. Cool.
I put his z-score. Hold on, I just submitted it. What's the z-score?
Shoot, I forgot to put in. Sorry, what was number 7? I forgot to put that one in.
0.154.
So
Okay.
that one
Okay.
you got correct.
Shoot.
Okay. But I
So
still
point estimate was wrong.
Yeah,
Or-
for both of the numbers
For
we thought
both.
it was. So we have no idea what that one is. We have no idea what it means by point estimate.
Point estimate. Well, what?
Would it be the... So if you add p hat 1 and p hat 2 together and divide by 2 to get the average?
Maybe that is what it is.
Well, that's okay. Yeah, because it says it's a population parameter to estimate. Yeah, I don't understand. So it says, like, for example, the sample mean X is a point estimate of the population mean U, like the
'Cause that was
U.
one of the formulas we didn't use, is when you add them together and then divide by 2 to get the average. And that's
Yeah,
kind
try
of what
that
I was
one.
talking about on Google, I think.
Okay. So try that. Yeah, try that, John, and let us know what you get.
Let me see.
So are you saying add 52 and 59, or 52 and 42 together?
Oh my gosh, what just happened?
I think he's adding the p-hats together.
Oh,
So yeah,
Yeah.
add P1 and P2 together and then divide by 2.
divide by 2.
Oh, I hope that didn't just start me over.
By 2. Well, if that's what it is, I got 0.728. All right.
Okay, 0.728.
Let me see if it's right. I'll submit it to see. Let's see. And it was question 6. No, that is not right.
Really?
Oh! Can't find it anyway.
I have no idea then.
Either.
Well, that is a pain.
Well,
No,
If you
you
have-
got everything else right on the bright side.
yeah.
That is true. That is a good thing. Now we'll see how we do on the homework quiz thing.
Yep. It's going to be fun.
Awesome.
Well,
Well,
Anyways, so is there anything else we have to do for the other thing?
yeah, has ours passed, Q? Do we know yet?
I have not heard anything yet.
Okay, I
I'm
know
so
he sent
waiting.
an announcement saying that he hadn't started grading them yet, so.
Okay, got it. Well, just let us know when you get the news.
And then, do you guys? I was gonna ask you guys with that. It's like the design the study self-report quiz. Have you guys tried that yet? I don't really even know what that
Yeah,
is.
I did it.
And
I did it. It's just a couple of questions asking you if submit it to the IRB or whatever. And you just say, nope, don't have to do it, don't have to do it, don't have to do it, submit 100%.
Oh, sweet. Okay, because I was like, do we have all the information to take it? But okay.
Yeah, we're good.
Then I will go do that. And yeah, I haven't heard anything yet, so I really
Okay.
hope we did, but I guess we'll see.
Hey, Dale, let us know.
Okay.
Very cool.
Awesome.
Thank you guys. And I'm sorry about
Thank
the
you.
technological problems again.